Welcome back to Mini Brothers. So as you can see, we are back in Miami. I took the car back down to Miami so that we can come down to Machines Gone Wild again and get back on the dyno. It's really important, if you're going to be dynoing your car regularly, use the same dyno, just so you can see what the difference is and how it works. So I decided to come down again. We did a little work on the car. I'm going to show you that in the video, but we wanted to get it on the dyno to see actually how it compares to the previous dyno numbers we did with the JB4 last time we were here. I'll link the video. And how it is now with the Bytetronik tune. Now, of course, while we were at Bytetronik, we also had it on the dyno. So you might ask, why would you dyno it again? Different brand of dyno. So we wanted to have a consistent number, some consistency in the dynos. So we brought it back down here, get it on the same dyno with the same setup that we've been using. That way we can do an apples to apples comparison to see how much power the car's making. So let's show you what this did. Come on. Did do a couple things to the car while we were here. We had an issue with the downpipe, so we swapped that out. We also wrapped the intake pipe here because we wanted to see if that could enhance the cooling a little bit and the intake air temperatures. We're kind of inconclusive on that right now, but I want to give that some time to see how that compares. Just doing the gold wrap on that. We may end up having to wrap the cold pipe from the intercooler to see if that helps as well. We're trying to get some of the engine bay temperatures down because cooler air equals more power. As you can see, in Machines Gone Wild, they've got a bunch of Subarus. That's the shop car up there on the left. Doing some good work over here. You got the Machines Gone Wild owner here, Don. Don, you want to say 2 words? Hey. No? Hey. And that's the other brother. Mechanic bro right here. So we've got the car over here on the dyno. So we want to do a couple pulls on it to see what it does.
Let's go over the checklist. Exhaust open. AC off. Okay.
Brake off.
Brake off. Set up dyno for a pull.
Do the dyno thing right here. Huh?
You got your 300.
There you have it. It's 302 horsepower, and that's at 475 newton meters, which is 351 foot-pounds. Gotta say, that's a good amount of power for this Mini Cooper S. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. While you're down there, go ahead and subscribe. That helps us a lot.